picking the right affiliate program to maximize conversions. The first thing that you need to do is to understand different monetization methods. I've already described how an affiliate program works in the introduction of this training. However, different affiliate offers convert in different ways. Pay-per-click. The words of your content trigger PPC contextual ad systems to show ads that target those words. Native ads are not contextual. Instead, they use pictures that look like article thumbnails. When people click on the native ad, you get paid. Pay-per-sale, PPS. When somebody clicks on your PPS, which is either tied to text or to graphics, they have to buy something for you to earn a commission. Pay-per-action, CPA. Pay-per-action offers to pay you money when people click on your link to see some sort of form. When they fill out the form, you earn money. Pretty straightforward, right? CPA involves less friction to the user. Oftentimes, people just need to enter their email address for you to make 20 cents to up to $1. Not too bad. Merchandise affiliate programs. Merchandise affiliate programs are affiliate programs that sell physical products. When people see ads on your website, you won't get paid when people click the ads. You only get paid a commission when your visitors actually buy products. How to sell affiliate programs. Ask yourself the following factors when picking one particular affiliate program over another. Is the offer directly or closely related to your niche? Look at a program's offers, not necessarily the program itself. There are many programs that actually cater to many different niches. You have to look through their offers to see if there's something that tightly fits your niche. Is the offer already heavily promoted? Do a search for the name of the offer or the name of the company. Avoid saturated offers. How easy is the conversion point of the offer? Ideally, you should look for an offer that only requires a click for you to get paid. If that's not happening, look for offers that pay you for every email or zip code entered into a form. If that isn't available, then look at offers that pay you per sale at a very high percentage. How flexible is the program in terms of advertising? Does a program require you to use their own materials, or are they okay with you coming up with your own materials? Can you use incentives? You don't want to rack up tons of commissions only to get banned without getting paid. Do they offer flexible landing pages? Does the program allow you to come up with your own landing pages, or do they have their own? If they have their own, are there many different versions? Be clear about how the sponsor is going to be converting your traffic. Do they allow tracking URLs? As much as possible, you want to account for every click you get from your online properties. Even if you're buying traffic from places like Facebook, you still want to track your own clicks. This way, you can see which pages work and which sources of paid traffic you should reinvest in. Do they allow redirect domains? You don't want affiliate programs to find out where you're getting your traffic. They can easily just go to where you're getting your traffic and steal your traffic right out from under you. Also, you don't want your end users to see a long link when they put their cursor over a link. This is a turnoff. Make sure you're allowed to use redirect links to clean up and hide long affiliate URLs. How much does the program pay? The proper way to analyze this, of course, is through comparison. When you compare different offer payouts to each other, you should have a fairly clear idea of whether an offer makes sense. For example, if there's an offer that you know will convert really well but the pay is fairly low, this may still be a good deal compared to a program that pays really well with their offer, but the offer has a much lower conversion rate. How many offers does the program have? The more the program specializes in your niche, the more you should prioritize it. I'm not saying that you should not run offers from other programs, but since this particular program seems to specialize in your niche, you should spend more of your time promoting this program. Can the program be promoted using a wide range of conversion systems? If you can use direct, mailing list, content, and other types of traffic conversion systems, you might want to pick such a program. Pay close attention to all of the above. If you find a program that is very flexible, you might make more money with it than more rigid programs.